folks, and welcome to my 2023 desk setup tour. I've tried to create a minimal yet functional workspace that I can use for all my creative work. Whilst this is an ongoing process, I've made a number of upgrades to my workspace this year. In this video I'm going to detail my entire setup. I've left links to all the exact products you see in the description. There's also a free download link to the wallpaper I'm using. Let's start off with the desk, which I made myself. I got a custom sized piece of American Black Walnut wood from a UK kitchen worktop company. I then drilled in some steel A-frame legs. The reason I went the DIY route is that I simply couldn't find a reasonably priced desk that I liked at retail. The walnut wood did ship untreated, so I gave it a few coats of Danish wood oil. I must say I love the colour and grain of the black walnut. It's also a solid hardwood, so should last me for a good few years. In total, the wood and steel legs cost just under £500, so whilst it isn't cheap, it is pretty good value for a solid walnut desk. My chair is new this year and is made from buffalo leather. I got this from an independent UK retailer called Where Saints Go, and it's priced around £150. I really like the mid-century design style. It's padded so it's super comfortable, and the colour is a great match for my setup. On the desk I have my Magic keyboard and mouse from Apple. These sit on my merino wool desk pad, which is lovely and soft and provides some welcome contrast with the walnut desk. Then we have my desk shelf and monitor stand that I got from Oakywood. This has easily been the biggest upgrade to my setup. This shelf has lovely build quality and is available in a range of colours and finishes. I opted for the solid walnut. Whilst this was the most expensive option, it's also the best match for my desk. The Oakywood desk shelf provides much needed storage space both on and under the shelf. It also puts my monitor at a more ergonomic height, which helps alleviate any neck or back pain. If you want more details on this shelf, I have a full review up on my channel. On the shelf I have my iPhone 14 Pro on a stand from a company called Nano. On the other side of my monitor I have my microphone, which is the blue Yeti Nano. This is what I use for all my voiceover work. This is one of the best mics on the market in terms of design and audio quality, around the £100 price point. Then we have my M1 Mac Mini with 16GB of RAM tucked away underneath the shelf. This is an awesome little machine and surely provides the best bang per buck in the Mac lineup. It edits all my photos and 4K videos with ease, so I don't see any real reason to upgrade to the new M2. I plan to keep this for at least another couple of years, by which time the M3 Mini should offer a more compelling performance upgrade. Also under the shelf I have my 3rd gen AirPods and a 1TB external drive from Seagate. This is purely used as a time machine backup and just silently gets on with it in the background. Then we have my mechanical keyboard, which is the Keychron K2. Whilst I mostly use my Apple keyboard for the Touch ID, sometimes if I'm typing a script, it's just nice to use a more tactile mechanical keyboard. Then lastly we have my monitor, which is the Studio Display from Apple. This was a relatively expensive purchase, but has been a solid buy overall. I love the minimalist industrial design style, the colour accuracy is excellent, it's super sharp with the 5K resolution, and it integrates seamlessly with my Mac Mini and MacOS. I also appreciate the fact the Studio Display has excellent built-in audio, which alleviates the need for any external speakers, so I'm left with a clean looking Mac setup for all my creative work. So that's my setup, for the time being at least. I'm pretty happy with it overall, but I will be making some more changes. Whilst it's a clean and minimal workspace, sometimes I think it looks slightly bland. So I'd like to add some plants, and maybe some shelving or artwork on the wall above my monitor. I'd also like some better LED lighting for when I work in the evening. Anyway, that concludes my 2023 desk setup tour. I hope it helped you out. I've been Tom Hyphen. Like and subscribe for more. You can also find me on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.